Have you ever seen those cool designs where an image has a clean, glowing outline that instantly grabs attention? Well, in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to create that same effect right inside Canva, quickly, easily, and with a professional finish. Whether you're designing social media posts, thumbnails, or digital artwork, this simple outline trick can instantly make your visuals stand out. Let's jump right in. First, open Canva on your device and open the design you want to work on. Once you're in your design, click on the image you'd like to add an outline to. You'll see a toolbar or editing panel appear on the right side of your screen. Here's where all the fun begins. Click on Edit Image at the top of that panel. This will open up Canva's image editing options. Now, scroll through the available effects until you find the one called Shadows. Go ahead and click on it. Inside the Shadow section, you'll see different shadow styles, but the one we want is Outline. Click Outline, and instantly, Canva adds a neat border around your image. Pretty cool, right? But we're not done yet. This is where you can really customize it to fit your design. You'll notice 3 sliders: size, color, and transparency or intensity. Use the size slider to control how thick or thin your outline appears. Go bold for a pop art look, or keep it subtle for a clean aesthetic. Next, click on the color option to pick the perfect outline color. You can match it to your brand colors, choose a bright contrast to make your subject stand out, or even use a gradient if your Canva plan supports it. Finally, fine-tune the transparency or intensity to decide how strong you want the outline to appear. A softer edge for a gentle glow, or a sharper one for a crisp, professional border. Once you're happy with how it looks, click Apply, and that's it. You've just outlined your image like a pro in Canva. This simple trick can completely transform your design, adding depth, contrast, and personality to your visuals. And the best part, you can use it on portraits, products, logos, or literally any image you upload. So go ahead and experiment. Try different outline colors, thicknesses, and styles to make your design uniquely yours. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more quick Canva tips, and drop a comment letting me know what you'd like to learn next.